revolution begins.
It's 4:30 in the morning in Edfu, and the people are getting called here for their prayer, which is crazy. It's so early. We think we're really hardcore getting up so early, but these guys do it 7 days a week and 5 times a day, finishing at 11 o'clock. So Ferg, where are we at the moment?
Right now we're in the eastern Saudi desert. Just over there is the Red Sea.
Just over there, just beyond the horizon, behind all those sand dunes we can see.
Sorry, the pressure. As you can probably hear, the wind is pretty strong, and luckily we're going that direction, and the wind is coming from that direction. So we've had an average speed of about 12 kilometers an hour for the last hour. So it's like trying to cycle with a bungee cord attached to your back.
That's it. And so why are we in the Red Sea then, rather than in the Nile? Right after there.
That's a very good question. Because this morning our worst fears, what we've been worrying about the whole time, proved to be proved to be correct. We got to the first checkpoint coming out of Luxor, and we were very sternly told to turn back, thus far and no farther. So we were put on a bus to Satmarkand, which is about 10k that way, which took us about an hour to cycle. And yeah, we've got to continue the rest of our journey along the Red Sea coast.
And where are we going to go on to from there?
Where are we going to
get to?
At the moment we're about 40k from Hurghada, which ideally should take us about an hour and a half. But
no, it's not.
Lovely wind, it's likely going to take us about 3 hours.
Yeah.
We're currently hiding out from the midday sun in our tent, which we thought would be a great idea, except we've got about, I don't know, what were they, 20 mile an hour winds outside?
Yeah.
And it took us about an hour to actually get the tent up.
Kept on, the tent bags blew away, we've broken poles. Because the wind is so strong and it's all sandy, we've had to use these really big rocks to try and keep all the stays down and so on. And if you look at the terrain outside, it's the terrain is quite barren and very, very, very hot.
We thought it would be, grand. We'd get into the shade of the tent and just kind of wait it out for 5 hours. But it's really hot in here as well. It's actually hotter in here than it is outside. So, and it's about 35, 37 or 38 degrees outside. So that's kind of we have to have a rethink our strategy for cycling through deserts.
God knows your lonely souls. God
Okay, so Fergal is eating again. We just had our little snack of fool, which is this beautiful bean mix, which if you can see here. It is top quality fava beans with tomato sauce, and it is very, very hearty. With some bread, it makes for a very good meal.
Egyptian baked beans.
Yeah, Egyptian baked beans. Very tasty. So Ferg, where are we then?
We're
Right.
excuse me, it's really rude. We are about 30 kilometers outside of Cairo, and we're in great spirits today because we've had a lovely day of just cycling.
We pretty much doubled our speed from the last 2 days. The last few days we've been struggling to get about 12 kilometers an hour.
Yeah.
Now we're getting up to about 25 on average, which is much better, obviously. And you actually feel like you're getting somewhere. So mentally and and both physically, it's just so much more rewarding.
And we've a rest day tomorrow,
Yeah.
so we're
going to see the pyramids
in Giza, and then we have just one more day, 200 kilometer cycle to Alexandria, and then that's crack open the champagne, which we've been carrying a snipe of champagne for the last week, 10 days, whatever the hell we've been going for. So we're going to get that on ice, and
it'll taste lovely.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day. Don't let it get away. Beautiful day. Touch me. Take me to that other.
So what are you doing, Si?
I'm going to get some sugarcane juice, which I really haven't rated, and I love it. It's really, really tasty. They crush the sugarcane in that machine.
What's it taste like?
That's weird. It's very difficult to describe. It's sweet, almost milky, creamy kind of taste. Just arrived in Alexandria. It is 6 o'clock. We've been going since 9 in the morning, and we are absolutely delighted to get here. It was a frantic rush through the streets, flying along about 30 kilometers an hour through the traffic, and hard work. Hard to get our sparkly.
Yes, we've been looking forward to this.
Yes,
so
haven't drank properly for ages. So. It's good. It's good.
It's a bit warm.
It's a bit warm.
It is a bit warm.
But it's good. It's good.
So they say every journey starts with a single step, and that's our single step taken.
Yes.
So our journey,
Done.
our journey to circumnavigate the globe by bike and boat has begun. So hopefully this is there'll be a few more of these
Bigger ones next time.
Exactly, magnums or Jeroboams or Balthazars or whatever. So yeah, that's it. This is the first of many installments.
First of many.